The end of traditional war. War is changing. Not slowly, not someday but right now. The next global conflict won't begin with marching armies or massive invasions. It will begin with code, machines, and decisions made faster than human thought. This is not science fiction. These military technologies already exist. And once fully unleashed, warfare will never be the same again. Artificial intelligence is no longer just assisting commanders, it is beginning to replace them. Modern AI systems can analyze millions of data points in seconds. Satellite imagery, radar signals, troop movements, weather patterns. What once took entire command centers now takes milliseconds. AI can predict enemy actions, recommend targets, and coordinate attacks, with a level of speed and precision no human can match. In the future, battles may be decided before generals even realize they've started, the most dangerous part. Once autonomous systems begin fighting each other, human control may be too slow to intervene. The soldier of the future is changing too. Powered exoskeletons can increase strength and endurance, allowing soldiers to carry heavier equipment and fight longer without fatigue. Neural interfaces may one day connect soldiers directly to AI systems, enhancing reaction time, awareness, and decision-making. The line between human and machine is beginning to blur. Soon, warfare may not just be about weapons, but about upgrading the human body itself. The most powerful weapons in modern warfare may never explode at all. Cyber attacks can shut down power grids, disable air defenses, and paralyze entire military networks. Electronic warfare can jam radar, spoof GPS signals, and make advanced weapons completely useless. A nation can be defeated without a single soldier crossing the border. In the future, the first strikes of war may be invisible. Drones are no longer flown one at a time. They now operate in swarms. Hundreds or even thousands of machines acting as a single intelligence. Each drone shares data instantly, adapts to threats, and changes strategy on the fly. Shoot one down, the swarm simply reorganizes. They're cheap, they are expendable, and they can overwhelm even the most advanced defenses. One command, 1,000 machines, zero hesitation. Modern militaries depend on space more than ever before. Satellites guide missiles, coordinate troops, enable GPS navigation, and provide real-time intelligence. Now, space itself is becoming a battlefield. Anti-satellite missiles, orbital drones, and space-based lasers are designed to blind enemies before a single shot is fired on Earth. Destroy the satellites, and armies lose communication, navigation, and coordination. Whoever controls space controls the war below. Hypersonic missiles travel at speeds above Mach 5, more than 5 times the speed of sound. But speed alone isn't what makes them terrifying. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, hypersonic weapons can maneuver mid-flight, changing direction, altitude, and trajectory. This makes them almost impossible to track and nearly impossible to intercept. By the time a nation detects a hypersonic launch, there may be only seconds left. No warning, no defense, no second chance. These technologies raise a terrifying question. When machines decide who lives and who dies, who is responsible? Faster wars mean less time for diplomacy. Automated responses increase the risk of accidental conflict. A single error in code could trigger global catastrophe. Technology does not feel fear. It does not hesitate. It does not question orders once unleashed. It may be impossible to put the genie back in the bottle. Military technologies are transforming warfare forever. Not in the future, not someday now. The question is no longer if these systems will be used, but how far humanity is willing to go before war is no longer fought by humans at all.